Well, hello everyone, I'm Edgar, and in this video I'm explaining how to write a reverse function using a recursion in JavaScript programming language. So our problem is to write a function that reverses a string with recursion, and here is an example of it. We have reverse ABCD, there is a string, and it should be returned like DCBA. So in my solution, one function is not enough, so I wrote a function helper. And I named it reverse helper like this. I have it over here, and let it be a function that has two arguments. Maybe you would ask why. I would say bear with me, and you'll see. As it is a recursion, you should know that it must have a termination case, otherwise its loop would go infinitely many times and we would have a stack overflow. That is not a good thing usually. So we have this thing here and ask it to return this conditional, to return whenever our index reaches number 0. Integer 0. So okay, so this is it, and also we must return our function with say string index. Wait a minute, you'll know everything about this weird thing. Blah 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 string. What's that? And index minus 1. This is it. Then I write another function that is our initial one, that person that would like to reverse a string would put it over here, and this would run it, do the magic, and return the backwards string. So we have there a function that has argument that is a string. So in here we return our initial helper function and set its arguments like this string, and look over here, string dot length length minus 1. So now let's look at this code, this piece of code, and understand what we have over here. So this string index thing, what's that? Whenever we have some string, let it be QWERTY, okay? And when we say let the string and put it some index into here, this would actually return a Q letter. That is the first one we have over here. Sorry about it. The first one we have over here, and whenever we change this, say, to a 1, it would be the second letter. So you understood, I guess. I hope you understood that we start counting from a 0. So the last character we have would be 1 point less than the number its characters we have here, and this is where comes this length thing. When we say string dot length and our string be equal to some something, when we say this thing, it would return the length, the number of characters, basically, spaces included, of course, this string has. So this is 4, and as you understood, this index, the last say number in this index for a string, this last one for a string, would be 1 unit less from its length. So this is why I have here a string but length minus 1. So everything goes right and we don't have any errors occurred. This is this way. So let's run some string via this function. Hello world. Okay, so this would go like, oh, what's that? Unexpected token. At 5:12, return this thing. Okay, let me see. Wait a second. Okay, so I'm so sorry. I found my mistake. Spelling mistake, as always. All programmers, I guess all of them have this at some point of their life. So here I just wrote this return in the wrong manner. So here I have this reverse hello world string, and whenever I run it, here I have the reverse of like reverse type of it. So here it is. Whenever you want to reverse a hello world, you can use this magic piece of code and have it over here in your console. So I hope you liked this video. It was informative. You understood something out of it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.